This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Nicely cared for home with a great open floor plan. Spacious living room flows into a nice dining room and large galley kitchen with lots of counter space and storage. Nice family room, large owner's suite with a full bath and walk-in closet. Updated with vinyl windows, a lifetime rubber roof, heat pump and large fully fenced yard with room for a large garden. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.